welcome to Mac's TR3 Revival. It's been a long project so far. I've gotten down to the frame. I've had a few setbacks along the way. I'm also going to take you on a little bit of a back history with parts, some of the work that's been done, and some of the journey to get to the point where I decided to make videos about it. And then we're going to move forward from there, carrying on the legacy of trying to still bring this car back to life. So I started with some fairly simple projects. Once the body was off their frame and take it to the shop to have that work done, I had all the rest of the exterior components of the car, and I took them to Allentown, PA to have them dipped.